Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Got a new toy. Got a TIG welder. Never TIG welded. Gonna have to learn. Saw this Friday night on date night. Me and the wife were out, and she went to the Dollar Tree and I went to the Harbor Freight, and found these on clearance. Couldn't find one anywhere. They're out, I looked online, no one within a 300-mile radius had one. Guess what? Don't believe the internet. I know everybody goes to the internet for answers because you Google this and you Google that. But my local store, I went in there yesterday and they had one. And they got a special going on them right now. So if you want a TIG welder, Harbor Freight's the way to go. But we're gonna unbox this, brand new in the box. And I'd love to show you what it is, but guess what? I ain't got anybody around me within 50 miles that has argon. So we don't have any argon, so we can't try it out. But we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what it looks like. Feel like Christmas time. Ain't that cool? Congratulations, you have just purchased a state-of-the-art Vulcan Master Series welder. Y'all hear that? I'm a master. No. Yep. If you're not careful, guess what you get? Template material. We're gonna back y'all up here just a second. Good gosh, it's heavy. I thought the welder would be heavier, but guess what? It ain't the welder that's heavy. It's the box in here that's heavy. That was good. Caught myself in the job. Let's pull the welder out. Itty bitty thing. Yep. Now we can tilt that over and pull it out. This is a TIG and stick. For all of you out there, I haven't stick welded in a long time. Don't even own a stick welder. It's been, ooh, buttons. I can't tell you the last time I stick welded. That's how I first started welding a long time ago. Gosh. I think the last time I had a stick welder, I know I had one when I built this shop. I built the shop in 2000, 2001. Me and my son and Mr. Rip Van Tassel and his dad, Van Tassel, and Caleb. We all built this shop. We put every nut, bolt, and screw in this thing back in, I think, 2000, 2001. Took us a while. ARCO2, argon CO2 regulator. Got the foot pedal. Have y'all ever TIG welded? If so, comment below. Let me know what I'm getting myself into, because I've never done it. I've watched it. That's the TIG. There's the ground. Stick weld. This joker's even got a carry strap. Imagine that. All right, so one thing about this welder, it is 240 or 110. And it's 165 amps on the 240. And I don't know what it is on the 110. We will not be using the 110. But, oh, look, there you get your sheet metal gauge. Yeah, we will not be using the 110 unless we go mobile with it. So we're gonna put that up somewhere where it won't be lost, including this stick. So I'll be right back. We're gonna put them in the locker. Now we can bring you in closer and show you what we're looking at. Well, now that is cool. Gives us a little Vulcan. Wow. Well, ain't that cool? That's interesting. I've never had one of them. Let's see, this is going to be the ground lead. Interesting. Like I said, oh, well, now that is cool. So this is a negative ground TIG welder. That's cool. I don't know anything about TIG welding, but the plastic handle, I don't know if that's good, bad, or indifferent. We're going to hold off on doing all that until we can get some gas. So this will weld 24 gauge, 16 gauge, 12 gauge, 10 gauge, all the way up to 3/16. So 100% argon. All right. Well, we're gonna get it set up on the cart. I'll let y'all look at it when we get done. But anyway, it looks pretty good there, guys. I'll lower y'all down. Amperage, 240, 110, TIG pulse, TIG lift, stick, TIG. There's a lot of interesting stuff when it comes to TIG welding. I have learned that from the videos that I have watched. That's our MIG welder. Well, both of our MIG welders. We're going to set this up on there to where we can have two welders going, but I'm gonna have to build something to put another tank on there. Yep. So anyway, guys, we will be back. Appreciate y'all watching. Another day at the farm, another day in the shop. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Just do it, worry about it later. Right now I'm gonna try to find some argon in a tank. Appreciate it, guys. We'll catch y'all later.